Many tools in cybersecurity are coded in Python. However, it can be frustrating when these tools fail because of missing Python pip modules. One solution could be to use Docker, but another more simple solution is using Python virtual environments. This solves dependency problems and prevents extra packages from breaking our Linux system. To get started, the first step is to create our Python virtual environment by using the python -m venv command and then the name of our directory. The name of the directory can be anything. In this case, I'm just going to call it resploit. The second step is to enter our Python virtual environment with the source command. And then the path to our environment, our directory name, bin activate. Another way to tell that you are successfully in a Python virtual environment is that the prompt of your terminal will include the name of your virtual environment directory. In this case, the resploit word is added to our prompt. The third and final step before being able to run your Python tool of choice is to install all the required pip modules in your Python virtual environment, which can be either done by typing out all the pip modules by hand. In this case, this is all we need, or using an install file by supplying the -r flag with the pip install. So pip install -r and then path to our requirements. Once everything has been installed, we can use our tool of choice. And the window spawned over here. To exit out of your Python virtual environment without closing your shell, like with the exit command, we can use the deactivate command. Trying to run the AFK script again, we can see all the same pip errors because we do not have the supported modules anymore. However, it's still possible to use these Python tools even if you have not entered your Python virtual environment with the source command. If we go into resploit bin, we can see that there is another version of Python in this directory. If we do Python, it drops us into an interactive Python session like you would see if you were running Python normally. Using this Python version in the Python virtual environment allows us to run without having to enter a Python virtual environment. Changing directory back to the one with our script, if we just use the Python in resploit bin python and then the path to our AFK script, we can see it still runs, even though that we are not in a Python virtual environment. If I were to close the AFK animation window and try to do Python AFK, it fails. And that concludes this video. Hope you found it useful. Sorry for the shorter video. I hopefully will have more time to work on longer projects, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.